Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. My December kit for my creative scrapbook is here, and so I wanted to do this unboxing. I can't wait to see what's inside. I hope it's more Christmassy items. But before we get started, this is just kind of a thank you for being a member, and it says that we will get a free gift in our January box. So yay! Once Christmas is over, it's not quite over because we'll have a free gift coming in January. So that's exciting. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay. We have a card. I bet there's more of these. Let's see. Might have fallen out from somewhere, or maybe not. Wow, look at the sparkles. That's so fun. We have, oh, this is from 49 and Market. So we've got 3 packs of flowers, 2 which are very holiday and very sparkly. And the other is more of a muted color, muted tone, which is fantastic. I love the variety. Oh goodness, look at this. This is Vintage Artistry Peace and Joy Ephemera Bits. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got so much in it. Oh, I love ephemera packs, and I'll take a look at this in better detail in a little bit. But for now, we'll put it to the side. Oh, yay, I have another Christmas stencil. I only had the one that I got in last month's kit. So yay. Little pieces of tree branches, that's awesome. Okay, here is our little loan card. I'm still not sure if that's just the one little piece or if there's more that goes with that, but we'll keep looking. And here's the papers. Oh wow, look. So this is a laser cut page. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at the trees. Very nice. Magical moments. The berries. Oh, I love these things. Oh, looks like we got another one. All right. So we have 2 laser cut pages. Oh, look at the deer. Oh, it's cut. That's awesome. So sweet. Let's see what our papers are. That's really pretty. Kind of a blue-green. Very nice. Very subtle. Oh, look at the watercolor trees. I love that, and it's from 49 and Market. And again, it is the Vintage Artistry Peace and Joy collection, and this page is called Treetops. That is just gorgeous. Very nice. Oh, and here's more of a green one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. All the little berries, they make rings. So you could probably put your circle punch around it and get that whole little ring of berries. That is just beautiful. This page is called Holly. I love the strips. Look at that. Wonderland, Christmas, Be Merry. Great sentiments just right here on your strip. So that's just awesome. Keep that. Oh gosh, I really like this page. It has color, but it's not overwhelming. That's just gorgeous. This page is called Starry. Just beautiful. And here is some music notes. Oh wow, that's real pretty. This page is called North Pole. Right there. Oh, that's pretty with the holly. It's really faint, but it's great. It's right there in the background. It's subtle. And here on this side, more vivid. This page is called Yuletide. Isn't that so pretty? Gotta have some red. Here is our red again along the bottom. Season's greetings. All roads lead home at Christmas. Love, believe. Cut those, and what a great title for your card or project. Oh, that's pretty. This page is called Wishes. Oh, and here's a page from Blue Fern. I think I got this last year. Oh, I do, and I love this page. Look, that is one of my favorite pages. And I don't think I have a lot of this paper left, so I am super excited to get this page. Obviously, it's a different collection. This is from Blue Fern Studios, where the previous pages or papers were from 49 and Market. But I am so excited to get this page. I absolutely love it. This collection was called Christmas Cheer, and this page is called Jolly. Here's another page from that collection, and it's called Joyful. Just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love it. Even the strip is just fantastic. Oh, and here's another one. This page is called Ecstatic. That is just beautiful. I just love the richness and color. Look at that. So pretty. And our last page is another one from that collection, and it's called Sparkling. Again, it is just gorgeous little snowman. It's so pretty. Just awesome. Let me move this out of the way and we'll take a look at our ephemera pack. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Lots and lots of goodies. Give me just a second to get it sorted, and then we can take a look at everything. Wow, that took me a while. Just look at all of the words and phrases that came in that ephemera pack. That is a lot, which is fantastic. Plenty of sentiments to add to your Christmas cards that you'll be making for your family and friends. Add to your projects, your little ephemera pieces that you make to go in your journals. If you're making a Christmas journal for someone, this kit would be fantastic with all of these words and phrases. Just look at all of these tags and these envelopes. These are great. You just ink around them, put a little bit of cheesecloth, put a sentiment or a stamp maybe, a Christmas stamp, and there you go. You have a great little journal card and provide some journaling space. These are so handy, and look how pretty. They are so decorative. Gorgeous tags. I just absolutely love the watercolor trees. Again, ink around them and just have this in your journal or add it to a gift. Put to and from on the back, and what a beautiful gift tag. Look at the frames. These are beautiful frames. You can take those out and just use these just to put over a picture, especially on a layout. It would be gorgeous. And look, I believe these are supposed to be slides. So again, you could pop out what's inside. Maybe you can draw or paint something on these little white pieces. Of course, you could, glue other paper or pictures, whatever you want to do to make your little slides. And this, I'm not sure exactly what this is, just a piece that has like watercolor with lots of the colors used in the collection, but it's a beautiful decorative piece. I love it. Look how many tabs and little banners you get. There is so much in this collection. There's 5 different colors. So if you do daily planners, or if you make ephemera that uses these little file folder toppers, then you're gonna love this. These are the last pieces of the ephemera kit. Some poinsettias, little pine tree sprigs, some boots, and what must be the North Pole. And of course we have our lone little card, which I'm wondering if it was supposed to be part of the ephemera pack. I'm not sure, but there's different images on each side, and it's absolutely adorable. Again, all of that ephemera was part of this Vintage Artistry Peace and Joy Ephemera Bits pack, and it had 83 mix and match die cut pieces from 49 and Market. That was fantastic. You get 10 gorgeous pieces of scrapbook paper from 2 different collections. You get 2 pages of laser cut ephemera, a holiday stencil, an 83-piece die cut packet, and 3 packs of gorgeous flowers perfect for the holiday. That was a fantastic kit. Thanks so much for joining me for this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up. Any kind of love you show me would really be appreciated. Well, that's going to be it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.